Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you on how to access Google Drive from Gmail. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, install Google Drive and go to the Gmail application. Here, you can see I'm already logged in. Tap on the profile option from the top. This Gmail account should be created on your device. Then, choose the Gmail account you want to sign in on Google Drive. Now, go to the Google Drive application. Tap on the Sign In button, then tap on Done. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Google Drive from the Gmail account I chose earlier. Here are all the files that have been shifted from the Gmail account to Google Drive. And that's how you can easily access Google Drive from your Gmail account. If you found this tutorial video easy and helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell so you won't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.